Tired of bulky wallets and travel money woes? Today, we're unlocking the incredibly convenient world of Wise digital cards for in-store shopping. Get ready for seamless, secure, and often cheaper transactions. This video will walk you through every step so you can start using your Wise card immediately. First, make sure you have the Wise app downloaded and your digital card activated. You can find instructions for activating your card within the Wise app if needed. The primary way to use your Wise digital card in-store is via contactless payment. Open the Wise app on your smartphone. Select your digital card. You may need to authenticate with your fingerprint, Face ID, or PIN to access the card details. Once your card is visible, ensure that NFC is enabled on your phone. This is usually found in your phone settings under Connections or Wireless and Networks. Then look for NFC or contactless payments. Hold your phone close to the contactless payment terminal. You should see a check mark or confirmation on your phone screen indicating a successful transaction. The terminal may also beep or display a confirmation message. That's it. You've just made a contactless payment. One of the biggest advantages of using your Wise digital card, especially when traveling, is its automatic currency conversion. Wise intelligently converts currency at competitive exchange rates, so you don't get hit with hefty bank fees. You can always review the currency conversion rate and the final amount in your home currency within the Wise app transaction history after the purchase. This gives you full transparency. For added security, you can freeze your digital card instantly within the Wise app if you lose your phone or suspect any unauthorized activity. This protects your funds and gives you peace of mind. Using your Wise digital card opens up a world of convenient and secure payments both at home and abroad. Embrace the future of finance. Start using your Wise digital card in store today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.